Okay, today you people come to know about what are the rules for image location using convex mirror and how the image form using the convex mirror. The practical use of the convex mirror already you know, it is used to see the back view, generally used in automobiles, cars. So, the rules for image formation for convex mirror: if the light ray is parallel to principal axis, it reflected back and it appears that it is coming from focus. Rule number 2, if the light ray incident on the convex mirror along the focus after reflection, it becomes parallel. So, rule number 2 is basically the converse of rule number 1. What the rule number 3? If the light ray incident on the convex mirror, like it is along the center of curvature, along the radius of curvature, after reflection it reflected back along the same track, it retraced the track. Reason being, because the light is normally incident on it, it will be reflected back normally. Rule number 4, if the light ray incident at the pole of the convex mirror at certain angle, it will be reflected back with the same inclination, same angle. Reason, the principal axis is normal at point P, so angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So, incident reflected back with the same inclination. So, these are the 4 rules. With the help of these rules, we can locate the image of any object kept in front of the convex mirror. So, there are the 2 cases. First, when the object is placed at infinity. So, A, B is the object is placed at infinity, very far away from the mirror, convex mirror. So, light ray parallel to principal axis, it will be reflected back along focus. It appears to be reflecting back from the focus. Similarly, this light ray parallel, it will be reflected back along the focus. So, there is no real intersection point of these reflected rays. So, how will get the intersection point? When we extend in the backward direction. So, when these two reflected rays are extended in backward direction, they intersect at point focus. So, at the focus we have the image. What the characteristic of the image? Image is virtual, number 1, image is erect, number 2, number 3, it is at focus and it is very small in size. So, these are the characteristic of the focus. The second possibility for the image formation, when the object is lying between the infinity and pole, it means object is very near to the pole. So, AB is the object, the light coming from object parallel to principal axis, it reflected back along the focus, a focus along reflected back. And the second, if the light ray is incident on the convex mirror along the radius of curvature, it will be reflected back along the same track according to rule number 3 and first according to rule number 1. So, these two reflected ray you see they cannot intersect each other. So, only the possibility when you extend in the backward direction. So, when you extend in the backward direction you find these two dotted line, that is basically the extended light of the reflected light intersecting each other at point B dash. So, A dash B dash will be the image of this object AB. So, what the characteristic of this image? The characteristic of this image is virtual, because real intersection point is not possible, small in size, and thirdly it is erect, एकदम सीधी बना हुआ है, and the fourth it lies between pole and focus, pole and focus. So, these are the 2 cases for the image location. The first, when the object is at infinity, the second when the object is between infinity and pole. So, in this way you can understand very clearly how the image formation took place in case of convex mirror.